talk about a couple of things I have on here. I have this cleaning kit. So you always want to make sure your lens is clean, no spots on it. So if you go against like the sky, the blue sky or something, you'll see, oh look, there's a dot or some dust thing. You want to clean it off. Dust, you want to spray it down if you need to with the cleaner.
So the little squeezy thing, that's just purely for air, right?
That's the air to get the dust out, yeah. And then they have like little things, spongy things. Looks like a lipstick thing. and then and then you just rub it around. It'll just rub it out basically. Any smudging, fingerprints, dust, dirt, specks. It's expensive, but like I don't use it. I have not really used it before, but this is called light meter. So a light meter allows you to test how's your subject being lit, or where's your focal point being lit of the camera. You can look through and spot it and get the reading. Oh, well, that's like that requires this, and it'll tell you. Some of these will tell you, what's good. What kind of f-stop is good, what kind of, shutter speed sometimes, or ISO and aperture. So they'll tell you, but otherwise you got, the more you expose this, the more like, oh, you want just like the general room, or you want to go more focused, and then you just go over there and then press a button. Click right next to, this is the main focus. Click on near the eyeball or something. And then you get that the actual lighting. So there's some other devices where you can see like distance, and you get the distance too from where your camera is, and then you walk over here, click again. I don't have that, but there's no real need for that one. And then that's just in general. I mean, you don't just for real quick filmmaking. It doesn't matter. You just try to visualize it. That everyone's different, but and I've got this Clapboard. So only in a narrative filmmaking is generally what you want to do. I mean, if you watch like a reality show behind the scenes, you might see them do this anyway. And they got their old digital one, and those are like $25,000. You can get this for like $30. So just write on with a dry erase marker. And then your second assistant camera is always the one that does this, or should be, if not your PA, to just read it out for you. Okay, and generally you will say, you're getting ready to film, everybody places, and or if you just film one take, whatever it is, and then you want to do it again for coverage or something messed up, back to one, and then you're getting ready, you say, okay, here we go, rolling, you turn on the camera, rolling, recording, and then the audio guy will say, he sets the recording, he's ready to go, he says speeding, so or speed. That means it's just the numbers are going up, so that really means speeding or speed. And then first AD or director will say marker or something like that, and this is the mark, or slate. This is what slate is marker. And then the AC will go day 0, episode 3, 10, Bravo 1, take whatever Bravo 1, take mark, and then you snap it. You get that sound. That's how you get that the biggest spike to match in post. Is that this? Yeah, if you're right next to the guy though, like, do it lightly and call that soft sticks. Like, yeah, because
it's just to be cool.
yeah. So yeah, because he's.
So it's a sound marker as well as a visual tool
to know where. Yeah, exactly. Where this is the beginning. Sometimes if you have issues and if something took too long, you're still rolling. Everything's still rolling. You can do at the end of it. You can flip it upside down. End mark. Tail mark. They have a tail mark. And then you have both sides like that. But like generally, it's just the beginning. You just do that. That's all you need. Yeah.